Okay, this is just a quick video to show you the process to go through, just to recap for those of you that haven't done it or did it last year, and obviously something new if you are just starting. When you go into the Community Project tab, you should see a list of all the students. Okay, so just search up the student that you're looking for. My first appointment is with Barindra, so I'm going to have a look on here. What we're looking for under project documents should be his academic honesty form. As long as it's on there, it's fine. You can open it and just make sure that has been filled in. If you can't find it there, then you do need to ask the student to show you where it is. But we can see here, Doug has obviously done all the appointments with him. They've obviously had a conversation, and he has given him a supervisor comment at the end, which is great to see. So that's the first thing, to make sure the academic honesty form is there. So let me just go into Barindra's again. Then you can have a quick look. You can see that obviously his tutor has commented throughout the year. So you can have a look, see if there's some conversation going on there. You can check the journal for any evidence. There may not be evidence in there. They may just do it on their presentation and then upload their presentation. That's also fine. But we can see obviously some photos of some donations, and there's some comments on there. So it only takes a minute or so to check that. Then ask the student to present to you, or the students to present, and then click on the assessment form, and then go through and select the grades for that student. Okay. It would be ideal on the day if you could fill it in for each of the students. So if you get a time at the end of each appointment, that would be fantastic. But do make sure that you click Save Changes. Okay. No comments are going to appear on the report. Okay. Whichever comments you select will produce obviously a personalized report for them, but you do not need to add anything into the comment box. Okay. So Save Changes. Okay, and then that student is done. Okay, so just quick recap. On the front page on worksheet, the academic honesty form should be uploaded on the project documents. You can have a quick read through the comments, but you don't need to. The journal should be where there is any evidence, etc. And you can also click on, if you're happy with what they've done, you can click on Excellent, but that's really for the tutor, so that's fine. But the key thing is on the assessment tab, please make sure once you've selected the grade, okay, that you click Save Changes at the bottom, and then you can move on to the next student. Okay, so it shouldn't take you too long at all. Any questions, please do let me know, and I will try and resolve those as quickly as possible. Thanks again.